Hi guys, this is Monday's vlog and it's the 1st of May today. Where's the year gone? Soon it'll be 2018 and we'll say where's 2017 gone. But anyway, I decided to taste test Ben & Jerry's chocolate chip cookie dough. Apparently it's vanilla ice cream with chunks of chocolate chip cookie dough. That's what it looks like at the front. See, Ben & Jerry's cookie dough. So I have never tried this, so yeah, I'll open it up. Oh, come on, done. So that's what it looks like. I've never ever tried this before. I thought it was going to be frozen, so put some in our bowl that we have here. See if I can move the camera a bit more. Put a bit more in there. So, it's really good. I never tried this. Saw them in the supermarket and I was like, I should try one of these and post my video about it. Really good, and ice cream is delicious. I know there's other flavours, but I'm waiting for others to go on sale and then I'll make a video. And I want to taste test them all and then wait a few months and then do a challenge, guess which flavour they all are. And yeah. So it just looks like vanilla ice cream. So it's really good. Apparently it was made in 1984. Like when it was made. So a long time. It's really good. I love cookie dough. But I would rate this out of 10. I would rate it a 7 or an 8. And it's really good. So yeah, I recommend trying this flavour. So it's chocolate chip cookie dough. The ones that don't know what it looks like that. Ben & Jerry's ice cream should be in your freezer section at your local supermarket with the ice cream area. We have different ice cream flavours as well. So if you guys want me to try different ice cream flavours like vanilla, I know we have chocolate strawberry, and we have like peppermint chip, chopped chip, and we got red skin ice cream. We got Polly Waffle ice cream, and there's a few other ones, Fantail ice cream. If you want me to try those ones, like Peppermint Crisp, comment down below and I will do that for you guys. I am going to do another video of an ice cream sundae with candy in it and ice cream topping, but that should be in tomorrow's vlog. And stay tuned for any other future videos. I recommend getting Ben & Jerry's ice cream, and there are different flavours, and there'll be more videos coming up. I have reached 300 subscribers, which I am really happy about, so thank you to all of you. I wouldn't be doing this without you guys watching and liking and commenting and subscribing. So please share this video, like and comment the videos, and we'll see you soon. Bye.